Don't make buns until you watch this. A lot of people don't know that there are two styles of Nigerian buns, the soft chewy buns and the crunchy rock buns. Today, I will show you the difference, the texture, and how to make both perfectly at home, jumbo size too. Trust me, after watching this video, your buns game will never remain the same. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more authentic recipes and tips. So let's start with the rock buns version. Combine milk and egg and then you whisk. This version has that classic Nigerian street buns texture, crunchy outside with a fuller bite. Go into a bowl with your all-purpose flour, and of course your butter. Kindly watch till the end so as not to miss out on any recipe and tips. Now make a hole and then go in with the egg and milk mixture. For rock buns, the batter is usually thicker than the chewy buns batter. That is what gives it the denser, crunchy texture. So mix properly until well combined and then add a little water. Now let's cut and then form into round shape. Ensure to close the hole properly and then you pinch the edge so as not to open inside the oil. Are you loving the tips and recipes? You will find even more in my exclusive ebooks or cookbook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural egg growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. Check the description box below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. Keep watching on how we are going to fry this rock buns later after our chewy buns recipe. Now let's make the chewy buns version. For this recipe, I'll be using melted butter instead of just using the butter like that. We'll be melting the butter first of all. into a bowl with your all-purpose flour, and then your sugar, baking powder, salt, and then fresh pepper. This is optional though, but I just want it a little bit spicy. And then onions as well, it is also optional. Now let's go in with the melted butter. Don't forget, you can also check out the description box below for the full recipes. So make sure your measurements are accurate so your buns will come out perfectly. At this stage, the batter should not be too thick and not too watery. This texture is what helps the buns become soft and chewy inside. Look at that stretchy dough we have there. Just take a look at that. That is the perfect texture. And now my oil is heating on medium heat. Please don't use very high heat so the inside can cook properly. And then I drop in a little bit of onion inside the oil so as to give it that yummy flavor and aroma. I am scooping in large portion because we are making jumbo buns today. Look at how beautiful these buns are becoming already. Golden brown outside and soft inside. Now for the rock crunchy buns. Into the hot oil, go in gradually and make sure you fry on medium heat so the buns cook evenly. These ones rise so beautifully and give that nice rough rock. Just look at these beauties, big, crunchy and golden brown. So these are the two types side by side. The chewy buns are softer and stretchy inside, while the rock buns are crunchier and denser. So which one would you choose? Are you team chewy buns or team rock buns? Kindly comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to Kristyyum Foods and share this video with your friends and family. We also have more delicious and yummy buns recipes. Kindly check out the link in the description box below to watch those videos. And if you want to learn more profitable pastries and snacks recipes, grab my 100 Pastries and Snacks Cookbook packed with step-by-step recipes perfect for home use and food business. Kindly click on the link in the description box below to grab yours now. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube at Kristyyum Foods. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next delicious recipe.